The experimental sieve is a standard experimental sieve integrating powder classification and liquid filtration. It is a relatively common laboratory screening equipment. It is mainly composed of top cover, round handle, tight top handle, screw, vibration tray, vibration motor, timer and other components. The parts are made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. It can be matched with each other flexibly, with high interchangeability. It is a commonly used monitoring sieve in many experiments. The vibration motor drives the upper vibration plate to vibrate, layer by layer screening, so that only the same particle size materials are left in each layer of screen frame. To achieve the separation of different particle sizes and determine the particle size composition of the material, the materials in the screen frame can effectively achieve the purpose of classification detection.